If you're a landlord or property manager, you must know all about the importance of reducing your vacancy rate. Having a high vacancy rate is the quickest way to run your company out of business. When you have a vacant rental property, the person paying for the property is yourself. This means that you're completely losing profit on that property, as you probably already know. For this reason, it is essential that you're constantly looking to occupy your vacant properties and are not leaving them empty for too long. And the best way to do this is by advertising on rental listing platforms like Zillow. Welcome back, Loopers. My name is Sydney and I'm a content creator here at DoorLoop. In this video, I'll be taking you through the entire process of advertising your rental property listing on one of the most popular listing sites, Zillow. To get started, let's go over what a listing site is and how it can be useful for you. A rental listing site is a site that allows you to advertise your properties on it for prospective tenants to see. Through the same website, you can typically do a few other things pertaining to property management or tenant management. Some of these things include finding out about recent real estate trends, the ability to add property details for others to see, and conducting background checks. For most of these sites, creating a listing for your property only takes a couple of minutes. The website would usually take you through every step of the listing creation process and even advises you on what information to put in the property description to attract as many people as possible. Some of the basic information to include in any listing, regardless of the rental listing site, includes photos and videos of the apartment type, the apartment size, rent prices, and any special features. After creating the listing, it is advertised by the website to thousands or millions of potential renters. Then the property owner can even go through online rental applications and do online rent collection, all from the same platform. Although this may sound like a fairly simple process, it can be quite tricky at times. For this reason, I'm going to take you through a step-by-step guide on how to create and post a rental listing on Zillow. The Zillow Rental Manager is the section of Zillow that contains all the tools that you're going to need to list your rental properties. They even provide you tools to manage all of your rentals and make sure that you're effectively keeping track of all of them. For adding a rental to Zillow, it only takes 5 easy steps, so let's jump in. Starting with step 1, adding your rental property. First and foremost, you must log into your Zillow Rental Manager account. This account uses the same credentials as your Zillow account. If you don't already have a Zillow account, you can quickly create a free account by using Google or Facebook accounts. After that, you're going to want to click where it says to list a rental, and you'll be presented with a few fields. These fields are where you'll be filling out all of the listing details. From this page, you will be filling out a few key details about your property. These key details include the rent price, the security deposit amount, the basic property details, and the date that your property will be available. The basic property details include things like square footage, the number of bedrooms, the number of bathrooms, and the preferred duration of the lease. On this step, this is just the basic information of the property. In the later steps, you'll get the chance to describe your property in great detail and make it as attractive as possible. But right now, just stick to the basics. Step 2 is to list your property's amenities. After you've filled out all of your property's most basic details, it's time to start listing the amenities that your rental property offers. In this step, you'll be presented with a few lists of amenities followed by some basic questions. The first list displays some of the most common amenities that a rental unit contains, such as AC, parking, or internet. Apart from this list, there's also an option to add any of your own property amenities that aren't found on the list. Right now, it's important to add as many amenities as possible, and please don't miss anything because it's important that you advertise your property to its fullest. After the amenities list, you'll be presented with questions about the laundry and pets. These are just some basic questions of whether or not pets will be allowed and if the laundry is in unit, shared, or no laundry at all. Moving on to step 3 is making a detailed description of the property. This is probably the most important step because it's your chance to really sell your property and make sure that you're including all the important details. In this description, you typically want to include a multitude of things. Most important, however, is highlighting any upgrades or desirable features that help your rental really stand out. By including these in your description, you are increasing the chances that your property will get noticed by potential renters. The most important part of this step is that you remember that potential tenants browsing properties are presented with dozens of other choices on Zillow. This makes it extra important to make sure that your description is unique and provides insights that others don't. For step 4, you're going to add all your media of the property. This step is just as important as the previous step. After writing a captivating description for your property, this is the chance to really back it up. These pictures are usually the first thing that users see when looking through the listing, so it's essential that you make sure they're done properly. Property owners typically include 10 photos of their rental property, including the interior and exterior. Also, using the Zillow 3D Home app and your iPhone, you can create your very own 3D tour of the property. After uploading your media, you can even add captions to highlight bathrooms, bathrooms, bedrooms, etc. And if you're offering in-person tours, you can add your availability for showing the property. And step 5, the last step, is adding contact information. This last step is also very important to increasing conversion based on your listing. Some of the information that you must include to post your listing includes your name, email, and phone number. After posting your listing, it's common that the phone number displayed on the listing to the public is different from your actual phone number. This is a service done by Zillow to protect your privacy and avoid any cases of spam, and also helps you organize your leads. Once all of this information is filled out, you're ready to publish. Once you click publish, your listing will be visible on Zillow, Trulia, and HotPads. After posting your rental property on Zillow, you can receive and go over rental applications straight from the Zillow online platform. From the same platform, you can also accept or deny applications, conduct a background check, and view credit and eviction history. These features completely streamline the application and screening process and make it very easy to occupy your rental property. If you're looking for another way to go through applications, run background checks, and fully streamline your property management business, you can check out DoorLoop's all-in-one property management software, which I will leave a link for down in the description, where you can get a free demo today. That's it for this video. I hope it helped you, and if it did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more property management content. You can also check out this video for more advertising tips, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!